In this video, I'll show you how to use TikTok filters. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to this channel and giving the video a like so others can find it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to open up the TikTok app on our phone. Then we're going to tap on the plus icon that you will see right here at the bottom to create a new video. This will automatically open up your front camera, but you can also flip your camera if you choose to by selecting the little arrows right here at the top. Then at the bottom, you're going to swipe to the left and TikTok will show you suggested filters for your account. But you can also use different filters, and to do that, you can select right here, view all effects. There is going to be a magnifying glass that you can tap and search for any filters or effects that you want to use. I'm going to use a retro cam as an example, so I just went ahead and typed in retro cam, and I'm going to select the camera icon to see how it looks on my videos. Once you find a filter that you like, you can simply start recording your video by tapping right here at the bottom. And once you're ready, you can add text to your videos, any captions, and post it to your friends and followers. Hope that helps.